humming noises keep in the Chicago alleyway. Keep making noises. Humming. The humming noises keep making noise. Bilbo is throwing a beer bottle. Cut that racket out. It's the air conditioning unit running 24 hours a night. Can't sleep. Puts earplugs in. Chicago alleyway. It keeps making noise on top of the rooftop. Buckkeep has making noise in the air conditioning unit. It works for a company. Keeps making humming noises. They keep making humming noises. Cut that racket out and throws a beer bottle. I'm trying to go to work. I'm a garbage man tomorrow. I pick up garbage at 5:30 in the morning. It keeps humming and making noises in Chicago alleyway. Can't sleep yet. Put earplugs in. It keeps throwing beer bottles at it. Making noises. It keeps humming in Chicago alleyway. Keeps humming. Keeps making humming. Air conditioning. Jason Knoll comes out and investigates it. Keeps making humming noises in the Chicago alleyway. Bill is trying to sleep and investigating it. It keeps making humming noises in the Chicago alleyway. The air conditioning unit. Maybe cut that racket out and throws a beer bottle at Bucktooth Ward because it's loud and annoying. It's an air conditioning unit. Keeps making humming noises in the middle of the night. Can't sleep with all the racket yells and the fire department and the air conditioning unit says, whatever that is, I'm going to shoot it. Calm down. Put your guns on safety. That's what Bucktooth says. Means I'll turn it off. It keeps making humming noises in the Chicago alleyway. Air conditioning units. Jason Knowles was giving Bucktooth a ticket and went to it. Keeps making humming noises in the Chicago alleyway. Keeps making noises in the Chicago alleyway. It's annoying. The garbage man was getting fed up with it. He has to go to work. He can't sleep. He has to get energy drink to wake himself up. He had a rough night. Chicago alleyway keeps making noise in the conditioning unit. Keeps making noise. Bilbo's trying to sleep. He's trying to sleep and that dumb, stupid machine keeps making noise. Keeps making noise. Keeps humming and making noise. In the Chicago alleyway. Whatever that is, I'm going to shoot it. Put your guns on safety, Bucktooth, and one who says, I'll turn it off. Keeps making humming noises. In the Chicago alleyway. Keeps making humming noises in the Chicago alleyway.
They say they have no peace and quiet in their own homes. They blame a tech company next door and its fans to cool down servers. Residents say the noisy nuisance prevents them from opening their windows and getting a proper night's sleep.
There's just so much noise. I can't sleep at night or just even focus.
We turn on the TV usually, even when we're not watching it, just to drown out the noise.
Michael Gulick and Karen Zoe are two of the many residents in this 280-unit Printers Row condo building. Say they hear this sound all the time. It's all coming from fans from a technology company, Digital Realty, which stores and computes enormous amounts of data for businesses.
Just like a mosquito is in your ear all the time.
Sometimes my husband will sleep with headphones on just to play music, so he won't hear it. It's really bad.
Digital Realty has added more rooftop fans over the years to cool its servers, and city reports show ground-level generators run the servers and HVAC system.
Wow,
installed this plexiglass over his bedroom windows that he says hasn't helped much.
This was probably about $1,500.
Gulick says the constant noise and lack of sleep is too much, and he can no longer stay in his own home. He started a petition that the company find a solution to the noise. It has been signed by more than 100 people. Gulick even dedicated a YouTube channel to document his struggles.
I spoke with management of my building, HVAC association as well, the company, city alderman, reached out to the Department of Health and the governor's office and the mayor's office, but it's just really going nowhere.
Both the Condo Association and Digital Realty did environmental studies in 2020, and both concluded the levels exceeded the sound levels allowed by law.
You shouldn't have to get used to a noise that they're doing illegally.
311 calls made by residents prompted the city to come out and measure the noise earlier this year. The city's Department of Public Health found Digital Realty's ground-level generator noise exceeds the city's ordinance and fined Digital Realty $300. The company is also required to come into immediate compliance with any and all outstanding code violations.
They're a big company, and I think they just have the money to keep doing this. As long as they just keep getting fined, they can pay that off.
Digital Realty didn't want to talk on camera, but in a statement said they've operated the data center for 20 years and have undertaken numerous initiatives to ensure a high quality of living for our residential neighbors. They've recently installed a 15-foot high sound wall built to adhere to the requirements of the Landmark Department, while also providing sound improvement for neighboring residents. The company added that it looks forward to continuing to work with our neighbors and city officials to positively impact the community around us. However, residents say that wall around the fans isn't enough, and city inspectors agree. The I-Team found that Digital Realty was recently ticketed for those rooftop fans and will have a hearing at the end of August.
Put earplugs in, I could still sometimes hear it when I'm trying to sleep. It's very frustrating.
Residents say they want the city to test the rooftop noise levels again. They are working with lawyers, and they say they'll continue to fight for a solution. They say selling may not be an option, as they are now also worried about the value of their homes.